In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Patreon. Connecting these two platforms is a great way to reward your supporters with automatic Discord roles and access to private community channels without having to manage everything manually. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your Patreon creator account will be linked directly to your Discord server. First, make sure you're logged in to your Patreon creator account in your browser. From there, head over to your creator page dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your page, posts, and settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Creator Settings and click on it. This will open up a new settings area specifically for your creator account. Separate from your general Patreon user settings. At the top of the creator settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Apps. This section is where Patreon lets you connect third-party tools and services, including Discord. Once you're on the Apps tab, scroll until you see Discord in the list of available integrations, and then click on Discord. This will open the dedicated Discord integration page inside Patreon. On this page, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click Connect to start linking your Patreon account to Discord. When you do this, a Discord pop-up window will appear. If it doesn't, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. In the Discord window, you'll be asked to confirm which Discord server you want to connect to Patreon and what permissions you want to grant. Make sure the correct server is selected. When you're happy with the settings, click Continue. This allows Patreon's integration bot to join your server and manage roles for your patrons. Next, you'll be asked to authorize the connection. Review the permissions one more time, then click Authorize. This step confirms that Discord is allowed to communicate with your Patreon account and adjust roles based on membership tiers. You may then see a security check asking you to confirm that you're not a robot. Simply tick the checkbox and complete any quick verification that appears. Once that's done, the window will close and you'll be taken back to Patreon. On the apps page, you should now see Discord listed as connected. From here, you can configure which tiers get which roles on your Discord server, and your patrons will start being synced automatically.